Hello friends, welcome to the part 5 of this tutorial. In previous parts we have done walls, windows and adjustment of swimming pool, railing, and if you have missed those lectures, so please do check my previous parts so you will have a better understanding on that. So now I'll start with importing chairs and some blocks in this place. So let's get started. I'll just import my assets. So just bring in perfect position. Just say group. Slightly make to the ground. Slightly I'll rescale it. Now it's looking proportionate. The blocks I'm using is Evermotion architectural models. It's very good to texture also, and it's very good to handle. If you don't have all those resources with you, you can always see there are large number of free models on 3D Max. I'll make instance. Just a little bit straight. I'll merge sofa. Just go in top view. Scale it. Sofa, okay. Let's import the chair. Say merge. chair. Just bring this chair here to make appropriate size. Now we have done the group. I'll just make a copy of these windows. Go and just shift set drag. The angle. I'll press S on keyboard to snap the mirror copy. Now the thing is, we have to make this windows 10 feet and this is 12 feet. So I'll just off my snap. I'll change. Now I'll add some pivot point blocks, garden lights and curtains and many things. Coffee table. Code and scale. Fine. This is so what I'll do is for scale 10 feet I'll just make a box. Height will be 10 feet. There is, and this box I'll place barbecue. Just say somewhere here. Maybe some so near to swimming area will be better idea with the height. Scale. Same thing can be done here. Slightly will shift to this place, so there will be some distance from this chair to this place, so we can show some 1 or 2 persons sitting over here and some at the barbecue. So this was a good idea, so just move ahead and import some more objects. Now we imported the curtain. This box I want. So I'll add edit poly. Actually the fitting is over here, but there is absolutely no need to move because we just only want to show that we are
the best way to make a simple box
showing that curtain part.
It will be easier.
Snap, and the challenge will be that the height should be till here. Just I'll go and say FFT, and this is done.
So select
the same curtain will be no, but I don't want to show the same curtain basically. Fine, but I can make the two parts. So what I'll do is now I'll isolate this. I generally isolate the part when I have to work in detail. So say open. I don't want to show this rod, absolutely not, and I don't want to show this curtain as well, so it will give some randomness. No need to show all those things. It will come down with
add
poly to match this line. So the only thing is we can move this curtain this way. So now I'll just close it and I'll see. This will the part.
Just make a copy to make a roof
here, because we want to show the transparency of the glass, and it should see seen through from the glass from the inside.
Match
We
this
have
point.
to show the table
I'll press
also
S on my
and
keyboard.
some frames on the wall. So let's say close now. So it's now perfect, and here is the stairs area. So we'll make
garden
lamp,
we
hanging
have to
lamp.
make
These punches for the stairs, and we have to add some grooves to it. So I'll start with a box. Take a box. Just make it one over here. Height will be, and sorry, it will be 12 feet. Height will be some around. It will be 8 feet, and height we have to see the. It should be a through and through object for the boolean here. This I have to increase. Open, and for upper part, just take this with ISS, stretch it will be till 10 feet. Now it's done. So there will be a warm light coming from this lantern, and it will give some more realistic sense of lighting in this view.
I will make a
So
copy.
in next part we'll make duplicates of the lights, and we'll add some more plants
So
and
here
more
I want
vegetations to the garden
the
area, and of course we'll add
height.
the car
Height will
in the
be
space where the
feet.
car is parking over here. So thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like my lecture,
And this
do
will
subscribe my channel
8
for
feet.
more lectures. So if you have any kind of doubt,
check this.
do let me know on my comment box, And
10 feet.
if you want some kind of tutorials, do let me know so that I can make for you. So meet you in next part. Thank you.
Towards make a copy of it, or we'll stretch the same object, go to convert it to edit poly and stretch with the vertices, drag this and just we will arrange this roof why we have added. Okay, just take a little bit up because it's straining our so we have to come down with this. With 8 feet. And this will also be 8 feet. Fine. So I'm going to boolean this, and for boolean I really use less boolean command because of when we use booleans in our scenes it becomes very heavy and it's very become crash prone. So I really avoid the boolean as much as possible. But yes, if there is no way, of course we can get this done with the boolean, but there is a technique to do this. So what I'll do is I'll just go and say attach with this guy. So now these are one object and this will be the second object. So we'll make sure we will not make any of those punches now. So this will be the only booleans what we are doing. So I'll select the bigger object. I'll go to compound objects. Going to boolean and pick operand B. I'll say boolean. So I'll just save my 3D Max file, because before boolean actually we have to save the file. I'm so sorry to tell you that, so I have not done that, so you please do this. So I'll just pause my video. So now I'm selecting this one and I'm going to boolean and say pick operand B. Now it's done. So in next part we'll do fit those windows over here, glass over here, and too many things
So if you enjoyed my tutorial, do subscribe my channel, that is Keyframes Online. And if you have any kind of doubts, do let me know in my comment box. So thanks for watching my tutorial. Meet you in next part.